What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to farm a haunted mansion. He calls it haunted house. One of my friends, come on, bro.
No. Oh.
And he's going to be helping me today. Let's go.
Oh my word, bro! I'm too chunky wonky. All right.
Spicy pancake.
Don't step on that bomb.
No, I want to, but I can't. It will kill me.
Oh no!
Crap.
Not again.
Not again. No, I'm running as fast as I can. And
Yep. Watch out for the rock.
bro, I dodged that.
Yo, I'm here.
Where you at?
Let's go. Now
I
just use
just-
this to get over. Use the rocket to glide over.
Don't worry. Yeah, bro.
Me to the other side. You messed up. No.
I got this. I've done it before.
Bro, you don't know how to do. He's supposed to throw the rocket into the. Bro, he's supposed to charge it and just throw it through, not just set it in there.
Bro, I tried. Bro, it wouldn't come out of my hand.
word. Jackpot up here, bro.
Dude, jackpot.
2-1.
Yo! Yeah, this is jackpot, bro. I've like only seen a jackpot. Oh, let's go grab that one. Bro, I used to have a grappler, but it
I know.
someone
I had a
stole it
grappler,
off
but
my
people
dead
kept killing
body.
me for it.
The hoverboard is like the best for us, but please. Boom!
Yeah, I agree. The hoverboard is definitely useful to use in here.
Yeah, but I've never done it before. I've only watched other YouTube channels do it. And like, I'm going to give that a try once I unlock it. But I don't have the hoverboard unlocked yet.
Oh no!
No, did you?
I fell. I'm gonna get the ones at the bottom. Oh my word, that's a lot of. I messed up.
I fell too. Hello? Who's here?
I'm here.
I fell. No.
I'll get the ones over here. It's fine.
Okay. I need some. I got like one.
Come on, no! Oh. No. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the thing. I totally fell. Like.
Where are you at? Yeah, bro.
I'm going up to the thing.
Yeah, I messed up too. I have like 3 in here.
I got like, you don't want to know how much I have. I have a whole backpack full of blues and reds.
Crap.
Alright, I'm at the thing, amigo.
Oh, that, Oh no! Ah! Bro, there's one behind you! Catch it! I'm here.
Sell it. Oh no. I'm sorry.
Bro, you sold me! You sold me!
My bad.
Yeah, bro, I'm getting the gadgets. Come
Yo, here, come
on.
here.
I'm
Give
getting
me that bag real quick.
Bro, you have. Did you just sell your? If you want.
No, don't buy another one. Sell that one.
What?
Look.
That's all you can buy. Yep. Get out. Get back over here. I failed. Bro, I'm stuck.
I know. Terribly.
Bro, I get stuck on these things. So get out. Stop trying to sell me.
You're valuable though.
I'll get the gadgets. I'll get the gadgets.
I already got them. Buy some for your own. I'll buy me my own.
Boom, boom.
Buy 2 rockets. You're gonna need them.
Okay.
And just in case if you mess up, buy 2 gadgets. The teleport gun things. Yeah. Buy 2 of those just in case if you mess up.
Yeah, in case I mess up, I have 2 of.
Yeah, use 1. You messed up terribly. Oh no!
Yep.
Not again!
Bro, I'm juking it. I'm juking it.
I'm getting ogred. Behind you! Behind you!
Damn. One name.
Right now.
Bro, could you? I'm about to dump my stuff out. Could you grab my teleportation grenade?
Yeah.
Grab it. Oh. Could you put this in?
Alright, you ready? Alright, I'm over here.
Yeah, mine.
Coming?
Not yet. Giant's over there.
Yeah, he's chasing me. Just come over, it's fine.
I'm front.
Oh,
I'm
bet.
running. I'm running. I'm getting ogred right now. Oh.
Bro took my line.
Come on.
Look, let's teach you how to do it.
Yeah,
Put
I
one
already
hand up
know.
here.
I've done
Do this. Throw it inside. Instead of placing it.
I messed up.
How did you mess up again? You have to throw it. Swing it. Swing it inside it. Swing it inside. You're cooked.
No, I'm not cooked today. I got this. This is the trick I learned.
Yeah. I'll meet you in there.
No, don't leave. Don't leave. I'm coming, bro. I made it through. Where are you?
I'm in the singer.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'll let you get the orbs on top of.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, we're making a long jump. Oh. Wait, no. Where the imposter is. Oh, he left? Like, not. Oh, left the one. That is kind of impossible. Not for me!
Bro, hurry back.
I'm coming. No! Just to make it easier. I'm back. Yeah, bro, I might bought this. Why do you have that?
I have one too.
Oh, did you use this?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Mary Poppins. And goodbye.
It's a bomb.
Don't sell me again. Don't sell me again. Yo, bro, one fell, one got out. Bro, one got out.
I did not mean to kill you, I swear.
Are they still in there or are they just selling?
I didn't sell them.
What the?
You only got that much? That isn't that much money.
Mine.
Can you go back in there for a second? No. Bro. Sell me.
Okay. Get sold. Bye. I get sold. This is stupid. When an imposter is sold.
Meow, 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 meow. Give me my thing back.
Get out.
Do you want to go grind some more? What's your YouTube channel?
Landoman VR with no. Landoman VR with no. Landoman VR with no spaces.
All right.
L-A.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to VR. Let's go to VR. Hurry, my viewers about to die.
No, I'll give it back. Give it back.
I
Now
can't.
give it back.
My viewers about to die. I'm sorry. Bye. Bye.
Give
Bye.
it.
No, I'm joking. I want to end the video like that. Here you go. Bye.
Yo, we still got to end the video somewhere else.
Wait, no, for me on VR, my name's Jay Bowen. Bye.
Okay, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Landoman.
What is it again?
Landom.
No, just say the name.
Landoman VR with no spaces.
Landoman VR. Okay.
Also, I'm sorry, but guess what has to happen?
What?
I'm just kidding. I didn't pull it. I didn't pull the pin.
Meow, 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 meow. Oh.
I was kidding. I
Why are you trying to kill me?
Nope. He just left. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding, bro. What the frick? How did... Oh. Okay. So that's the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe or this happens. Boom. Boom, I will appear into your house tonight if you don't like and subscribe. Boom. That is it today, guys. Bye-bye. Yeah.